Hi, this is James Stelmack with Empire Network Realty. Today we are at Sandlake Sound in Dr. Phillips, a Meritage built community. We're going to look at the Hayden model, which is that beautiful home behind me. They also build some townhomes here as well. As we look at this home, keep in mind I am a buyer's agent. I specialize with buyers throughout the state of Florida, but what I'm known for is real estate with a rebate. I rebate half of my commission back to my buyers at closing towards their closing cost. It doesn't cost you anything to have a buyer's agent, but it can cost you a lot if you don't have the correct agent. So give me a call at 321-287-8263. And as we tour the model, I'll share more about my rebate program as well. Enjoy. hope you enjoyed the tour of the model. So let me share with you how my rebate program works. It is very simple. Whatever the commission I get, I will instruct the title company to credit to you 50% of that commission to be shown on your settlement statement as a realtor credit for your closing costs. Let's just say hypothetically a commission is $12,000. I will instruct them, the title company, to credit you $6,000 towards your closing costs. That is literally $6,000 that you don't have to pay for closing costs. It's $6,000 that you don't have to finance and pay interest on, simply by choosing the right buyer's agent. Now, some people have this notion that, well, maybe if I go into a model center and I don't have a buyer's agent and they don't have to pay a commission, that I may be able to get a discount in lieu of a commission. In the state of Florida, that is illegal. It doesn't happen. So you might as well have somebody who represents you and you alone, and somebody who's looking after you and you alone. Because the sales agent who works for the builder does represent the builder alone and does not represent you. But I'm also full service, so I will be there at the time of contract. I'll be assisting you with the construction upgrades. Some of the things like lighting and electrical outlets in the floor, those are things that need to be selected at the time of purchase. I will also be there with you at the design center where you'll be selecting your flooring and upgrades and crown molding and different types of quartz or granite and cabinet upgrades and colors and so on. So I'm with you from A to Z all the way through closing and final walkthrough and so on. Whether you're looking at a new home or an existing home, you should have a buyer's agent who is representing you and you alone. I assist buyers from Naples, Florida to Miami to Jacksonville and in Central Florida. So please give me a call at 321-287-8263